What is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I've got the Flight Test Vector out here at the park. We're going to be doing some more flying with this thing today. I did film the maiden for this specific aircraft right here, but that's about it. I've made a few changes since then. I went ahead and upgraded my CG to the advanced level, so we get ultimate 3D and high alpha characteristics, as well as I went ahead and sized up my prop to a 6x35 prop right there. So it is going to tax the motor a little bit. I shouldn't push it too hard because it's about an 80-degree day today. But other than that, there's not too much else. I went ahead and got it bound up to my Radiomaster TX16S, and I've got extended limits running on these surfaces and on the rudder. So we've got a lot of good throws on here for, again, a lot of aerobatic qualities on this prop and slot jet here. So let's go ahead and get this thing on up into the air. Alright guys, not much to say here. I just want to quickly run through all my electronics as I always do, so you know what's on board here. We've got the Sunny Sky 2207S, a 2100 kV motor with, again, that 6x35 prop. And then we've got 3 SG90 servos, 2 for the ailerons or the elevons, and then 1 for the rudder here. We've got a 30 amp ZTW ESC and a LemonRx 6-channel receiver with satellite bound up to my Radiomaster TX16S. And then we are rocking a Nanotech 50C 3S 850 milliamp hour battery. So let's go ahead, get this thing on up in the air here, disable the throttle cut. And it's pretty effortless takeoff there, guys. But you can see immediately jumping up into that high alpha. You can darn near hover this thing just as it is. As soon as you get too high up there, you kind of get a little squirrely and the tip stalls start to happen, but that's somewhat to be expected. You can see we still have our speed, got our inverted flight. Kind of hard to look at it up in the sun there. But again, I just really love how this thing performs in all flight characteristics. Again, we've got high alpha for days. You can, like I said, darn near hover this thing just as it is. There's no wind today, so there's nothing to push it back against. But then again, you get that speed going, and you've got really nice flying characteristics. We've got plenty of roll. We've got a really, really good flying airplane overall, and I'm super happy with it. All together. See if we can get inverted. Let's see. I'm gonna get a little bit of altitude so we can try the inverted high alpha. And there's just not enough inverted throw to really do too much, at least on my current setup. But maybe if I would go ahead and extend my travel a little bit, especially down in the down elevator direction, we might be in better shape. But again, just look at that thing hover like that. You can park it right up there. Let's get away from the sun. It cruises very nicely at about half throttle, which is super, super nice. You don't really need full throttle to keep this thing going, which is surprising. Most prop and slot jets have a lack of power, but this power setup is just about perfect for this little guy right here. You gotta be really careful once you get it, like I said, once you get it vertical, it wants to tip stall on you like it should. But yeah, in terms of rudder, there's not a lot of input available. I'll try to do some flat turns for you guys. I'm using pretty much no aileron, maybe just a little bit counteracting the roll here. It can do flat turns pretty nicely. They're just kind of wide. You don't have a lot of throw. It's not going to get you out of a pickle in a time of need. However, it does fly really well just as it is. And it can help you a little bit in your hovering, but again, not as much as like a true 3D airplane would. As soon as you get up in those higher angles, like I said, you're you're in need of some help as it comes to your tip stalls. Let's go ahead and land it now. Here, I'm going to go ahead and do a go around real quick as our timer is about to expire. Alright, let's go ahead and bring it in for a landing. Let's go around here, get a nice solid approach. That's really nice. You can just high off it right in, then cut the throttle and let it plop on the ground there. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching so much, for all the support in the recent videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.